Imagine sinking into the deep sea where sunlight disappears and shadows move like living nightmares. Down here, nature created monsters, not myths, not legends, but real creatures that make Mesosaurus look ordinary. These are 5 sea creatures so terrifying you will wish they had never existed. First creature in our video, Dunkleosteus. This wasn't just a fish. It was a medieval weapon with a heartbeat, covered in bony armor with jaws like guillotines. It sliced through flesh with the force of a car crash. Its teeth weren't even teeth, they were exposed bone blades sharpened by evolution. One snap from its jaw could crush your entire torso. Scientists believe it could open its mouth with such explosive speed, the water itself would tear its prey apart. For millions of years, nothing else in the ocean dared to challenge it. And honestly, even today, I wouldn't want to swim where Dunkleosteus once ruled. You have definitely heard of the next creature, the Megalodon. This wasn't just a big shark, it was the ultimate ocean predator, growing up to 60 feet long. With teeth the size of human hands, Megalodon could bite a whale in half with a single strike. Its jaws were so powerful, scientists say it could generate a bite force greater than any animal in history. Imagine swimming near the surface and suddenly the shadow of something bigger than a bus rises beneath you. Megalodon did not just hunt, it ruled, turning the ocean into its personal killing grounds. Some even believe fragments of the legends about sea monsters came from humans who found its massive teeth washed ashore. Next on our list, giant sea scorpion. Imagine swimming in shallow waters and you feel something brush your leg. You look down and see a gigantic scorpion moving toward you underwater. Fossils show this thing reached over 8 feet long. With claws bigger than your arms, its exoskeleton was like armor plating, its eyes positioning for perfect ambush. It hunted with patience, waiting for the perfect moment. The thought alone is enough to make you never step into murky water again. Because back then, scorpions didn't crawl on land, they hunted in the sea. Next up, Helicoprion. If nightmares could swim, this is what they have looked like. Instead of regular teeth, its lower jaw was a rotating spiral of blades, a circular saw made of flesh and bone. The moment it bit down, that saw would spin and slice its prey from the inside out. For over a century, scientists did not even know how to describe its jaw. Some thought it was fake, but no, it was horrifyingly real. And to this day, we still do not fully understand how it ripped its victims apart. The fact that something like this actually evolved is more terrifying than any horror movie. The next mythical creature is Leviathan. Imagine a whale the size of a school bus with teeth longer than a human forearm. Now imagine that whale did not eat plankton. It hunted other whales. Its name was Leviathan, named after a biblical sea monster, and it ruled the oceans like a demon in the waves. It used sonar to track its victims, then rammed them with skull-crushing force. Some scientists say it even hunted Megalodon. Let that sink in. This creature was powerful enough to fight the biggest shark in history and win. And the craziest part, these were all 100% real. Proof that nature does not need your imagination. It can create monsters on its own. Let me know which one shocked you the most. Like, comment and subscribe for more terrifying truths about the natural world.